What the hell is this?
My guess is pig balls and chicken guts if we're lucky.
Give me one for the captain.
How do we know they didn't poison it, Chief? I mean, how do we know they didn't do that?
Because if they wanted us dead, they would have let us drown. Besides, we're gonna need all the strength we can get, so... yeah.
You should try to eat something.
You said that Goodman had a rash. What did the medic think it was?
Meningitis.
What did it look like? I want you to keep this between us, Chief. I don't want to startle the men, understand?
Hey, someone's coming.
Who is of highest rank?
Hey, whoa.
Sorry. No, okay, it's okay. Okay.
What's your position?
Chief of boat.
What happened to your captain, chief of boat?
He didn't make it.
Went down with the ship?
Yeah, he did.
These are your men. They do as you tell them, and we do not have a problem. What's the matter with him?
He was injured, trying to get out. He'll be needing medical assistance.
We split in half. Smaller groups, more comfortable. For all of us. Sorgen Sie dafür, dass dem eine medizinische Behandlung zukommt.
Warum denn? Lass wir den doch verrecken.
Führen Sie doch einfach meinen Befehl aus.
Seine Handschellen auf.
Hey.
Your fucking head.
Mit dem da.
How can anybody sleep like that?
Got clobbered in the head. Probably has a concussion.
Well, should we wake him first?
Shit, I wouldn't. Oh man, look at that.
Hey, Wright, don't touch that. Wright, don't fucking touch it!
Why? Why not?
Shit. Guys, that's not a wound, that's a rash.
What?
My sister got it when she was a kid. Meningitis, I think. I don't know exactly. She got it from the water in our well.
How long does it last?
About a week.
Okay, so how do you treat it? I got a bunch of stuff.
You don't, right?
So what, it just goes away?
No.
You said it lasted a week.
Yeah, I said about a week. And then we buried her.
Christ, Abers!
Abers, is it contagious?
Well, I didn't get it. But yeah.
Oh, great. Great. The Krauts don't kill us, the captain will.
Was guckst du so dämlich? Ratte?
What are you doing?
Schlimm genug, dass du unsere Rationen wegfasst? Jetzt soll ich auch noch deine hässliche Fresse angucken, oder was?
Sie sehen!
Come on, what the hell are you doing?
Reicht jetzt.
Mein ganzer Körper tut weh. Ich kann kaum atmen.
Ich gebe dir etwas gegen die Schmerzen. Ruh dich aus. Es wird schon wieder.
Wie viele insgesamt?
8. 8 sind schon krank. Andere zeigen die gleichen Symptome.
Herr Kaloin, kommen Sie mal bitte! Also wir sind jetzt schon fast am Treffpunkt.
Wo ist die Milch?
Nicht da.
Soll das heißen, nicht
Ich
da?
weiß auch nicht, was das heißt, aber die antworten nicht auf unsere Funkrufe.
Sind wir in der richtigen Position?
Ja, das sind wir.
verdammt!
Seehor!
Ein Armeezerstörer. Scheiße.
Entfernen.
2500 Meter.
2500. Herr Kapitän. Ihre Befehle. Wir müssen handeln.
Wie viele Torpedos haben wir noch?
2 von 1, Achter.
Gut. Torpedos 1 und 2 fertig machen. Geschwindigkeit beibehalten, Torpedotiefe 5 Meter.
Chief, to prepare to attack.
Yeah, do something. 1800 Meter.
Torpedoklappen öffnen.
Torpedoklappen öffnen.
Was? Komm her.
Torpedos fertig.
Fertig.
Kapitän, Torpedos fertig.
Die Jungs haben sich befreit! Ich wusste genau, dass das passieren würde. Stop the launch! I'm on it! We've got company! Fox! A little help! How are you gonna know which one's which?
I was born to fire a torpedo, don't matter if it's a German, Jap, or Portuguese for that matter.
What's that?
No.
I got it! Go fire! No!
Verdammte Scheiße.
Stop! Cover right now! Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot!
Right, full rudder. Take evasive action. Get me a location on that thing.
Fluten! Tiefenruder 8 an -20, vorne -30! Schneller! Alle Mann voraus! Stopp dich rein! Zack, zack! Zack, zack!
What was that?
Meter.
You've killed us all. If you pull that trigger now, you might just as well paint a bullseye on the side of this boat.
Captain, is it over?
It hasn't even started.